Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to class. I hope you all enjoyed your holiday and had time to relax and have fun.
Today feels different. There is a calm feeling in the room, and soft music plays as the teacher begins to speak.
This term, we will start with a small but special project. It is not a test, and it is not a worksheet.
You will work in groups, and your task is simple but creative. You must create a story together.
You can write your story, you can draw your story, or you can imagine it in any way you like.
Someone asks quietly if drawing is allowed.
Yes, drawing is more than allowed. You can use pictures, colors, and ideas. But there is one important rule.
The rule is clear. You must work together. No one works alone.
One group is formed with 3 students. Their names are Leo, Anya, and Noah.
They greet each other with small smiles. They don't know yet that this project will change how they feel about school.
They have 1 full week. The teacher reminds them to take their time and enjoy the process.
After class, the 3 students sit together and talk about ideas.
They wonder what kind of story they should make. Something simple, something fun.
Leo opens his notebook. He likes drawing more than writing.
He shows his sketches. The lines are clean, the colors are bright, the drawings feel alive.
Anya and Noah are surprised. They didn't know Leo could draw so well.
They decide to make a story with pictures, like a big illustrated book.
Or maybe even like a comic story, with pages full of imagination.
Leo begins drawing a city.
But this city is not normal. It is colorful, shiny, and full of strange shapes.
The buildings look sweet, soft, and playful.
Because this is not just a city. It is a candy city.
In Candy City, everything is made of sweets. Streets look like sugar pats, and rooftops shine like caramel.
Families live there. Children laugh there. Everyone feels safe.
There is one big building in the center of the city.
It is a chocolate factory, taller than all the other buildings.
The factory belongs to an old man, but he is kind and gentle.
He doesn't sell chocolate. He makes it for everyone to share.
The friends plan the pages carefully. First the city, then the factory, then the hero.
The hero is a young boy. Someone ordinary, someone brave.
The story starts to feel real. The city feels alive.
But every good story needs a problem.
They decide that someone greedy appears, someone who wants all the candy for himself.
The city slowly changes. Sharing disappears. Fear begins to grow.
The boy must protect Candy City.
Hidden streets, secret paths, and places adults don't notice become important.
The friends stop for the day. They are tired but happy.
They promise to continue tomorrow, together.
At home, Leo shows the drawings to his mother.
She smiles softly, but looks tired after a long day.
She says the drawings are beautiful and tells him to rest.
The story is not finished yet, but this is where it begins.
The house is quiet now. The day was long and the work was hard.
A tired voice breaks the silence. A mother speaks gently, but her words carry weight.
She says she knows how difficult work can be. She sees the effort, the long hours, and the tired eyes.
She also sees her child studying every day, trying to do well in school.
She asks for a little more help at home. Not everything, just a little.
The answer comes quickly. Yes, there is no argument, only understanding.
She promises that tomorrow she will see the whole story.
The room feels calmer now.
The next day at school, the group meets again.
They greet each other softly, unsure of what to say.
One of them shares new pages, more drawings, more ideas.
The city looks bigger now. The story feels deeper.
But then the mood changes.
A serious conversation begins.
One student explains that their parent wants them to focus only on studying.
Another says the same thing. Their parents don't understand that this is also schoolwork.
They wonder what to do.
Someone suggests finishing the project quickly, without adding much more.
The words feel heavy. The story is not finished, but time feels short.
Frustration fills the room.
The idea of ending the story early hurts. Later that day, something unexpected appears in the drawings.
A new page shows the city at night.
The streets are dark. The lights are gone.
The hero stands alone.
He waited. He tried. He fought. He failed.
Now he walks home, closes the door, and cries.
The group looks at the page in silence.
They realize he drew this after they left.
He didn't stop working.
He felt alone.
That feeling changes everything. They decide they cannot leave the story like this.
They come back together.
A new drawing appears.
The hero is no longer alone.
3 knights now stand together.
A knight should never fight alone.
They admit they were scared.
Scared of disappointing their parents. Scared of wasting time.
But they believe in the story.
Stories don't disappear so easily.
In the story, the bad man takes control of the factory.
He keeps all the candy for himself.
The city becomes silent.
No laughter, no children, no joy.
Then the knights return.
This time, they return together.
That night at home, a mother notices the light is still on.
She asks why her child is still awake.
The answer is simple. The day was long.
She notices the effort, the help given, the promise kept.
She received a message from the teacher.
The teacher said, "The student does not give up easily."
The mother smiles.
She admits she doesn't always understand drawings, but she understands dedication.
She asks one question.
Why does this story matter?
The answer is quiet but strong.
Because it feels like trying. Together.
Another evening, homework is finished.
A pencil moves quickly across paper.
Ideas are racing faster than hands can draw.
A parent shares a memory.
About music, about a piano, about a dream that stopped too soon.
This time, they promise not to stop their child.
School comes first, but dreams matter too. Presentation day arrives.
The class listens.
The group stands together.
They introduce their story.
It is called the Candy City and the 3 Knights.
Candy City is a happy place.
People share sweets. No one is left out.
There is a chocolate factory.
It belongs to a kind old man.
He says candy tastes better when shared.
Then, the bad man comes.
He takes too much.
The city changes.
But the knights stand together.
And the story continues. The people of Candy City begin to feel afraid and quiet.
The streets lose their color, and the joy disappears from their faces.
Children stop laughing and start to cry.
Families close their doors, and the city feels cold.
The kind old man is trapped inside the factory.
He cannot help anyone now, and the candy stops flowing.
Just when hope feels lost, a young boy steps forward.
He wears simple armor, not shiny and not new.
He is not the strongest, and he is not the tallest.
But he is brave, and his heart is full of courage.
He wants to help the city, even if he feels afraid.
The crowd watches closely and waits.
The boy does not stand alone for long.
2 friends run toward him.
One friend is quick on his feet and moves like the wind.
The other friend thinks carefully and plans ahead.
Together, they become 3 knights.
The bad man sees them and becomes angry.
He runs after them through the city.
But he is very large, and his steps are heavy.
The knights move fast.
They run left, then right, then around the factory.
The bad man grows tired.
His breathing becomes slow and loud.
The people watching cannot help but laugh softly. While the chase continues, one knight stays behind.
He does not run.
Instead, he builds something quietly.
He uses candy, dough, and chocolate.
He makes a donut.
Not a small donut.
A giant donut bigger than a house. The bad man suddenly traps 2 of the knights.
They cannot move.
The bad man laughs loudly and proudly.
He thinks he has won.
The knights look at each other and smile.
They point up toward the sky.
The bad man looks up.
The giant donut begins to fall.
It lands with a huge sound.
The donut covers the bad man completely.
He cannot move.
He is stuck.
The bad man becomes quiet.
He feels embarrassed and ashamed.
He speaks slowly and softly.
He says he is sorry.
He admits he ate too much and wanted everything for himself.
He promises to change.
He promises to share. The donut slowly opens.
The bad man walks away.
The factory doors open again.
Candy flows through the city.
Lights turn back on.
Children laugh again.
The old man is free.
He hugs the three knights and thanks them.
Candy City is happy once more. The old man speaks to the crowd.
He says candy tastes best when everyone can share it.
The class laughs at the giant donut.
They joke that the whole class could eat it together.
The room fills with applause.
The teacher smiles proudly.
She tells the class they received a special email.
A publisher wants to meet the group.
Everyone is surprised.
The teacher admits she did not notice their effort at first.
She says, creating takes time and patience.
Sometimes, people only need someone to listen.
The three students stand together.
They smile, knowing they did it as a team.
One idea became stronger with help.
That is how stories grow.
If you enjoy learning English through stories,
Learn with us, at Chloe Daily English.
share your thoughts in the comments.
And never stop creating.